It is so warm out. It's 58 degrees outside right now, which is insane. Anyways, I have some packages from my mom, I'm pretty sure. Let's find out what they are. Big box. I went to the gym and did leg day today, like properly. My legs were hurting, but I've already had to walk like at least a mile today after that, so now they're fine. Now I have way too many applesauce squeezies of various brands in my possession. Anyway, I want to talk about this issue that I've been having that isn't really an issue. Ouch. I gave myself a paper cut. Anyway, this issue that's not really an issue. So, I've been vegetarian for almost 5 months. It will be 5 months in 5 days. It will be 5 months. And I have this thing where people that actually know me well, they will like I was just home for spring break and me and my dad were the only ones home because my sisters were at school and he was working from home that day. And we were having leftovers for lunch. And I was just eating some leftover spaghetti or whatever, and he pulls out salmon and rice, and he was like, "Are you gonna be offended if I have salmon? Because it's meat and I'm vegetarian." And I was like, "No." I thought he was joking, but then I think he wasn't actually joking. And then also, I was at my aunt's apartment recently, and just we'll be watching a show or something, and there will be meat in it, and she'll be I don't know, just act like I wouldn't like it at all, or she'll say something it was really good food if you like meat or whatever. People think that I don't like meat because I'm vegetarian. I like meat, you know? I would totally eat some chicken nuggets or a good steak, you know, or sushi with actual fish in it. That stuff is really good. It's not I don't like it and that's why I'm vegetarian. It's because I'm choosing not to eat it because of the environmental impact, you know. But people just assume that I don't like it, or that I'll be offended if they eat it. I'm not going to be offended if you eat meat. I'm not that much of a hardcore vegetarian, I guess. I don't know. In the mentality, I guess I'm not that hardcore. I don't eat any meat, but anyways, yeah, that's my issue. That's not really an issue right now. I think this weekend I'm going to do some skateboarding. And also lots of studying because I have 2 exams. One on Monday and one on Tuesday. And I've never had 2 in a week before, except for finals, so it might be rough. But it's so nice out, which just makes me want to be outside all the time. I think I'm going to eat some Reese crackers, since my mother so graciously sent them to me. I had chocolate chip pancakes and an omelet for lunch. And I didn't even, all I had for breakfast was a little breakfast bar. And I had lunch 6 hours ago, and I literally feel like I'm still full. Anyways, I just went to the gym and did some yoga. This is my second water bottle of the day done. Yesterday, I think I drank 3. I was being very good. So tonight, what are my tasks? I need to go get dinner. I need to shower and wash my hair. I need to finish editing my YouTube video. Not this one, but probably the one that will come before it. That is all. Maybe I will finish the kindergarten class that I work with. It was a rainy day the other day, so we were watching a movie. The movie that the teacher chose was Lilo and Stitch, which I've actually somehow never seen before, and I was actually so invested, and we got not even halfway into the movie. So maybe I will finish Lilo and Stitch tonight, because I literally don't know how it ends, and I was enjoying it, I think, as much as the kindergartners were. So I might have to finish watching that. Okay, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write in my journal. I've been trying to journal every night for the past 2 weeks, because I used to, back junior year or beginning of senior year of high school, I would literally journal almost every night. There were months where I would miss 2 days, but I would write every other day, or every day except those 2 days, And I want to get back into that because I feel that was so good. And also I have 40 pages left of the journal that I'm on, and I really want to finish it before this semester is over, before I go back home. It's 50 days for 40 pages. I normally write a page a night, but I have been doing 2 recently because I'll write in the afternoon and then also at night, because I just feel journaling a lot recently. But yeah, that's a goal of mine currently. So I think I'm gonna journal and then walk to the dining hall in the rain with my umbrella, and then return and shower, and then do my editing and watch my movie. Sounds like a plan. I do need to edit my English paper though. I should do that tonight. Hello everyone. It is really, really nice outside again today. I'm literally wearing shorts. You can't even see. I'm having a little bit of lunch right now. I have some leftover rice and pasta from the dining hall, but I think I'm gonna go and eat with my aunt a little bit later, so I'm probably not gonna have too much. I just did some studying for my exams that I have this week, but I'm feeling pretty good about both of them. Both of them, I understand the homework and the practice exams and everything, so I think they will go well. But yeah, I did a really good workout this morning. I was dying for real, like, it's the most I've sweat in a really long time, but it felt really good. So, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Check out some of my other videos if you enjoyed listening to me talk, or you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video. Adios.